Imagine having a really helpful assistant, one that's great at generating ideas. That's what Gemini is. It's a type of artificial intelligence, or AI. Now, AI can sound complex, but in simple terms, Gemini is a large language model that's been trained to understand and generate text, almost like having a conversation or getting help with writing. Here are a few ways it can help. Help with planning. You know how sometimes you're stuck trying to come up with new ideas for a lesson or activity? You can ask Gemini for suggestions. Create different versions of materials. If you have a reading passage but need an easier or harder version to differentiate for students, Gemini can help you rewrite it. Or generate questions or summaries. Need a quick quiz or a summary of a topic? Gemini can help you create those. So how does it work? To chat with Gemini, you provide prompts, which are written instructions or questions. Gemini then uses its AI to generate a text-based response. The clearer your prompts, the more helpful Gemini's responses will be. For example, instead of saying, "Give me ideas for a science project," you could say, "Give me 3 creative science project ideas for 8th graders studying the solar system using household materials." The conversation doesn't have to stop here. You can ask Gemini to regenerate its response if you're not happy with the first output, or you can add on to your original prompt to refine or expand on the information you receive. The more specific you are, the more helpful Gemini will be. What sets Gemini apart from other AI tools? Gemini has added data protection, meaning your inputs and questions are not being used to train the AI model. This closed-loop approach helps ensure that your data remains private and secure. Speaking of privacy, never share sensitive information online. This includes students' names, addresses, grades, ID numbers, or any other information that could identify a student. Do not input student records, health information, or any other confidential data. Even with Gemini's data protection, we need to make sure student information is never shared. Some important things to remember before you start using Gemini. Gemini is a tool. It's there to help you, not replace you. You're still the expert in your classroom. Your experience and knowledge are key. It's not perfect. Like any tool, Gemini can sometimes make mistakes, so it's important to double-check its work for accuracy. And privacy is important. Just like any technology, it's crucial to protect student information. Never share any student names or private details while using Gemini. To get started, go to gemini.google.com and sign in with your district Google account. It's that simple. Gemini is a powerful helper that can save you time and provide inspiration. But you're always in control. Your expertise and judgment are essential for effective and responsible use.